In this guide, I'm going to show you how you could stream PlayStation 5 gameplay to Discord using Remote Play. Before we dive into this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. Now, the first thing that you're going to want to do on your PlayStation 5 is actually navigate into your settings by clicking on the settings gear up in the top right, and then going into your system settings by scrolling down just a little bit, selecting system. And then in this section on the left-hand menu, you're going to have a Remote Play option. Go ahead and select that, and then select Enable Remote Play. Take this on for whatever PlayStation Network account you would like. Go back out and then hit Pair a Device. And you're going to want to open up the Remote Play app on either a computer, a mobile device, a PlayStation 5, PlayStation 4, or whatever you'd like to pair. And you're going to have to enter in the following number. In my case, I'm going to switch over to my computer to do this, but essentially open up whatever device you'd like, go to a browser or in the App Store and just type in PlayStation Remote Play and then hit enter. And you're going to want to download this app just like so. Now, this is available just to download on the App Store if you're like doing it on an iOS device. So you can go ahead and do that. But in my case, I'm just going to download on my PC real quick, just because it's pretty easy. Once it downloads, click on the installer, hit yes, and then go through the installation process. On mobile devices, this is a lot quicker, but it doesn't necessarily take long on a laptop or PC either. When it launches, you're going to be prompted to sign into your PlayStation Network account. Make sure you sign into the exact one that you were using on your PlayStation, and then hit confirm and continue. Select the PlayStation 5 or even a PlayStation 4 if you're using that. Hit OK, and it's first going to try and pair through the internet. So if you are connected to the same internet, it'll go ahead and do that. But say you have multiple PlayStation 5s on the same network connection, it might not detect and you might have to enter in that same code from earlier. Once it does get paired, it should look something like this. From here, you can actually adjust volume. You can go ahead and mute and unmute if you would like, and all of it's going to pick up on your console as well, which is pretty awesome. Now, what you're going to want to do here is make this full screen just like so, and then even hit this little full screen option, and then open up Discord on that same device. What you're going to want to do here is go into whatever like voice channel you want. In my case, we're just going to go into this one, and then select share your screen and then share that PlayStation Remote Play. And as you can see, now you're going to be sharing whatever is going on in your PlayStation Remote Play here on Discord. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.